Today we're going to use number lines to add and subtract integers. The first problem is 4 plus -5. I start at 4 on my number line, and because I'm adding a negative number, I move to the left 5 spaces. And I see that my answer is -1. For the next problem, I have -7 plus 2. So I start at -7 on the number line, and I'm adding, so I move 2 spaces to the right, and I finish at -5. The third problem is a little bit different because I have minus and a negative sign right next to each other. When I have minus and a negative, I end up turning those into a plus sign. So the two negative signs come together to make a plus sign. So I have 0 plus 7. I start at 0 and I move 7 spaces to the right. And of course, that equals 7. And then for the last problem, I have -6 minus 2. I start at -6 on my number line, and I'm subtracting 2. So I move 2 spaces to the left, and I finish at -8. So just remember, whenever you are adding a positive number, you're moving to the right. And whenever you're subtracting or adding a negative, you're moving to the left. And lastly, remember that two negatives that are right next to each other can come together to make a positive